Mwah! I am so happy. Happiest day of my life. Yay!
There's times I didn't know, I didn't cry, I was smart, but now it's like a fever high. Oh gosh, is this the love?
This is it. Thank you po. Hindi ko kailangan pigilan.
I think of you and my heart sings. Oh boy, I need you near.
Kapag pag yung normal na, okay, ganyan. Sabi, hindi. Oh, cruise. Gustong-gusto niya yun.
So close to my heart, I feel like I could die if I got you with someone else. If I got you with someone else, I wanna hold you tight. So close to my heart, I feel like I could die if I got you with someone else. Hold you tight, so close to my heart. I feel like I could die. Oh gosh, this is the love
At madulas ang pagbigkas. Para bang panaginip na pinilit makabit. Di na kayang tapatan ng tugtugan ng parokya na aming sama. Shit, paano to? Wala na ako masabi. Ngunit kailangan gumalaw ng mga labi kung ito kung nangyari na. That's the bow.
Tita Micah, you look like a princess.
You too.
No dull moment kasi kay Martin. Talagang, ako kasi, kung ako introvert, siya naman yung madaldal sa aming dalawa. So kapag nagde-date kami, di siya naubusan ng kwento. Who would have thought that swiping right on Tinder would lead us here? That our first date at a vulcanizing shop in a flat tire would turn into a lifetime of adventures in the most fun and expected places.
I know, I sing it now. Buti na lang, malabo. Been through a lot. We both adjusted to things that we're not used to. Yes, you've changed my life for the better, that's for sure.
Naiyak na rin ako. Proud na ako today.
It made me feel that it was okay to be vulnerable, that it was okay to unload my baggage because you were there to carry it with me. You reminded me that it's okay to rest, to breathe, and to lean on someone who loves me. Because of you, I found new strength knowing I have someone walking beside me every step of the way.
And all I could sing 1,000 loves.
I promise to stand by you no matter what life brings. I promise to watch anime with you, work out with you, and watch horror movies with you. Because I know I'll never be scared as long as I'm with you. I can't wait to start this life with you. I love you so much.
Of all the times I fell for you, and though I would brave the fiercest ocean to find my way back to you. No.
You know me, I take things one day at a time, one step at a time. I don't really plan for the future, but when I met you, planning seems like a good deal. So I'm gonna plan starting now and for the rest of our life together. I love you. Okay na, Birak? Happy? Walang nakasulat yan, ah. Walang nakasulat yan. On the spot yun.